Here, I will introduce the procedure of defining functions, one of the subphases in the VE procedures, with an example. Now, we set a normal house at the VE target. So, we are arguing about what are the functions of a house. You should be noted that I am not an expert on houses, but now using a house as an example in order to simply explain the process of defining functions and other VE processes. If you are aiming to achieve results through the VE activities, you should form a team of experts who cooperatively work on the activities. In the defining functions, we first consider what the components of the VE target are. So, we are thinking about what the components of a house are. From my opinion, the main components of a house are ground, base, floor, pillar, wall, furniture, and roof. Now, you may recognize a house, which is the VE target, is an assembly of these components. We are considering the functions of each of these components. First, let's focus on the function of roof. Why does a house have a roof? The first thing should be to protect a person from rain and wind. Then we set up stop rain and stop wind as functions of roof. In addition, we may think about how a roof influences people from a different viewpoint. You may notice that roof design has the intention to make the house look nice. Then we may define attract people as another function of roof. This function, attract people, may be recognized as a function of wall, pillar, and furniture. Similarly, we set up stop rain, stop wind, and attract people as functions of wall. Next, we are considering the function of pillar. Pillar plays an important role of supporting floors and walls. In addition, you can add support roof and support wall as functions of pillar. As mentioned earlier, attract people is also a function of pillar. What is the function of furniture? Of course, there are various types of furniture such as chairs, tables, TV, and others. Strictly speaking, each of them has different functions, but in this example, we are putting all of them together. So, we define the function of furniture as support people to live. In this function, you may recognize that support to live is a verb and people is a noun. As mentioned earlier, the furniture function also includes attract people. In a house, people live on floor, so we define whole person as a function of floor. One may notice that base is an important component that supports the whole structure of a house, including floor, wall, pillar. Then we define support floor, support wall, support pillar are defined as functions of base. Since the base is built on the ground, whole base is the function of ground. So far, we have considered the functions of each component of a house, which is here VE target, as an example for instructing defining functions. Here, you should confirm that the house is defined as a collection of functions through this process. You may notice that a project team may accurately share the perception of their VE target through the process of defining function.